All right, guys, we got us a 2016 GMC Sierra Denali 6.2 liter beast. Really beautiful, as you guys can see right there. And what we got done on it for him, factory converters there, and there. Then we put he brought his own white pipe, a stamped white pipe. We installed it for him, and he brought his own tips, and he wanted a 2.5 inch system. So we went ahead and put that on for him, all the way back, custom bent on each side, there and there, into 4-inch black roll tips, there and right there. There's the muffler and tailpipe we cut off. These come with a resonated tailpipe, as you guys can see. There's the muffler right there. That's the resonator there, that's the tip. We cut all that and cleaned it up for him, put them out the sides. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Go ahead, give it gas. There it is. Your sound decibels. You can see with the 2.5 system, it's a lot deeper. Nice GMC Denali. Nice deep rumble. Can't go wrong with that, baby. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Denali. Straight pipe, 2.5 inch system, 4-inch tips. He said he wasn't gonna get on it. You see that? He did. Enjoy, guys.